What if you could turn any helpful YouTube tutorial into an AI agent you can chat with anytime for support without having to remember every detail from the video? For example, I just watched a great video on how to write better scripts. The creator shared a simple three-part framework to audit scripts by checking story flow, comprehension, and speed to value. This framework can really improve my own scripts and help me review raw drafts for new videos. Imagine if I could train an AI agent using this exact framework to give me script feedback whenever I need it. Well, with MindPal's new feature, you can do just that. You create AI agents or multi-agent workflows simply by chatting with our master agent. Just describe what you want. In this case, I want to create a video script auditor and reviser agent based on the guidance from the video I just watched. I'll leave this request here and click Go. MindPal first checks the video content to ensure it understands the key points before creating a new agent called Video Script Audit and Revision Agent on the right side of the screen. If you look closely, you'll see this agent is based on the video by Callaway, focusing on three major script writing areas: story flow, comprehension, and speed to value. This is a fantastic start. One improvement I'd suggest is adding the full video content inside the agent so it can follow the approach as accurately as possible. That way, I can provide follow-up feedback to MindPal like this, and it will revise the agent based on the new input. As you can see, the updated AI agent now includes a detailed description of the three types of problems presented in the video. This is excellent. Whenever I have a video script to audit, this agent will help me audit and provide detailed revision suggestions. At the end of the agent's response, I'd prefer to get a rewritten script. Let me quickly update this here. Now my agent is ready. I can save it and start using it right from the MindPal dashboard. I can find this newly created agent in the agent library. Let's say I have a new video I just recorded. I can attach the raw script here and ask it to review and revise the script for me, starting with identifying issues, offering fixes, and finally delivering a revised script that applies all the improvements. This is pretty impressive. Following this approach, you can turn any helpful tutorial into AI agents you can use yourself, share with your team, or even publish as AI tools for your audience. Even better, if you're the creator of these YouTube videos, imagine providing interactive tools that help your audience go beyond just watching your videos to actually tailoring your advice to each user's unique needs at scale. So check out this new feature on MindPal and let us know what you think. Happy automating!